the price.
17192.88, 12744 for ETH, 17,100, 200 for BTC. Market is still going on a sideways mode, right?
Yeah. Okay, let's start our live stream this early morning.
Hi everyone. Let me greet them. Hi everyone. Nice to see you again today. It's Tuesday, 13th of December. I almost say February.
Yeah.
13th of December. Yeah, just 3 more weeks, 2.5 more weeks. We are going to be 2023. Yeah.
Yeah. And what's the
BTC
news
price. Sorry,
today? Yeah.
BTC price. Yeah, BTC price. 17,183 right now.
Yeah.
12 ETH 1,274. Yeah. So is Bitcoin coming down again, bro?
I'm not sure, and it's also depend on the decision of the Fed will release today, the end of this day, and the same at the U.S. time is around 5:30 U.S. time. They will release should they at the still keep the interest rate as
Mm.
high as before, and we hope that the interest rates may reduce. That's so the market will recover. And at this time, you see on the board, the price of Bitcoin is around 17,000, and ETH is 1,002. However, the BNB is dropping, and we will explain why it's dropping this today. Um, okay, let's start with the live stream. The question is why Bitcoin price down today. Um, here's some data. Bitcoin is hanging around 17,000. Yeah, and with the on-chain data side, the history is a big realized loss. Here's on-chain data. It realized profits and loss on the glass notes. While the data may suggest that Bitcoin price recover is possible, the overall market can continue to exacerbate this loss. Generally, this last loss may remove some entity from the market altogether. In recovery, yeah, we also hope that it will recover soon. And here's later the one more reason why uh, the rising of interest rates in the US and upward way on the Bitcoin price. Yeah. Just now, I also mentioned in the early of our live stream, we also know the consumer price index report follow. That means the index report uh, it show that inflation pressure in the U.S. climbs 7.7% in October, and uh, the inflation in the U.S. increased by 0.4% in October compared to the previous month. Yeah, and we also have the upcoming CPI, this consumer price index event on December 13. Yeah, Bitcoin may continue to see the volatile as the overall market react to the number. Yeah, it's very important to see the number of the CPI because when the report is not good, the interest rate of the US will still higher. If the CPI is good, is better. It means the inflation they can control this. So the interest rate from the Fed will reduce. Yeah, that's why a lot of people waiting for the reporting. You also can go to the CNBC or some of the news to see the reporting from the Fed and the CPI. Yeah, the and they will release on the end of today Asia time. It means that in the early morning US time. Yeah, uh, that is a reason why we have the title of our live stream why Bitcoin price start today. Yeah, and at this moment the price Bitcoin is still hanging around. A lot of people expect this bottom this the bottom of the BTC and all the cryptocurrency. Yeah. And okay, next continue with our data on the live stream. Um, FTX, another reason why the Bitcoin price start today is also the FTX. FTX uh, reduce. That means the effect from the FTX, and later I will have a slide more about the FTX. That is the drama between the Bankman Friedman. He also have some issue. It's look like on the Twitter is a lot of drama there on Twitter. If you want to hear
Is
the
there
drama,
some other more companies are getting affected by him?
yeah, yeah. And the question first, is there any chance for the Bitcoin price to reverse course? And later we will focus more on this. And uh, and now we continue with something about the drama on Twitter, because the Twitter is look like the channel for a lot of uh, millionaire billionaires stay there
Yeah,
to share
individual.
information. Yeah, they share something and it's create a lot of drama. And this week on the crypto Twitter, uh, Sam Bankman-Fried willing to testify because the U.S. government asked him to go back to U.S. to do the testify to to say something in front of the um, uh, in in front of the house. And I also see the make the make the meme. We are waiting for you, but Sam Bankman-Fried he said it's very difficult for me to move and travel right now, and yeah, and he isn't attending DC hearing in person due to paparazzi effect. Yeah, and this information I got it from the clip. He also said he will not appear in the personal tomorrow house
Yeah, yeah.
committee. Yeah,
He,
and
one moment he say he's willing to testify. Now he refused to testify. So I'm looking at this CNBC article, right? So he said
yeah,
refused to testify before the Senate. All right. So um, but I think this is going to be a long process. So besides just them going down, I think there are a few other companies or a few other organizations that are directly or indirectly affected by this FTX saga. Yeah. So in fact, have you heard of Liquid Pro? Liquid Pro, a friend of mine has an account with Liquid Pro, and she can't draw out the money. Her money is
yeah,
stuck
that's right.
there. Yeah. So because I think Liquid Pro has they're being affected by this FTX as well. Yeah. So I think it's not just them. It's quite a many there are quite numerous others other organizations that may be affected as well. It's just that it doesn't come to my ears or around the people I know.
Yeah. One more thing is the crypto news bottom signal on the this week, last week. Here is this week, yeah, about the here bottom signal crypto last week. Oh, here information. Let me copy and paste to find easier. Okay, crypto signal is we hear some of the new also turn on we have some yeah. The signal is new the AI intelligence. That means it's for the chatting, the robot chatting that can yeah. It's a chat GPT may have the final signal when it's arrive. Perhaps in the technology world launch is a bit earlier, Sam won't be scrambling to communicate with the investor accurately. Yeah,
So
it's
they're
just
saying that it's lacking
they
AI technology.
yeah, and one more thing is stablecoin war tension. Yeah, I also hear the rapper on this week is about this. This means people they want people want from the coin space they want to move USDT to USDC. Yeah, yeah,
Zero fee conversion, right? So
yeah,
I think many people are so used to tethers.
yeah.
Now you come out with these circles. I don't know. It's probably going to take time for people to. They may not just switch totally. I mean, if I have 10,000 in, or rather 5,000 in Theta, I don't have to switch. I just buy some circle, so I have five of each. So I don't, and I see how they fare both at the same time. Yeah. So Theta people will still hold Theta USDT. I believe. It's just that they are just probably going to add on to their portfolio something new called USDC. What do you think?
But why they ask to move and let's see the comparison between two of the coins. It's come from the coins.ps, USDC and USDT with the year's launch. USDT may have more experience than that means
Yeah.
it's launched on 2014. Developer USDT come from Tether Limited and with the USDC is come from Circle and Coinspace. Yeah, the time they own fiat. They own fiat collateral side. On the blockchain, USDT is more it has more blockchain on because it can not only Bitcoin, Ethereum, EOS, Tron, um, uh, a lot, but USDC also on some of the latest blockchains, and it's also have a Solana. Yeah.
Mhm.
About the market cap, the USDT is nearly double of the USDC. Yeah. We see the auditor, which they also have the very um, famous auditor, but the frequency of the audit USDC is monthly, with the USDT is undisclosed. Yeah. So the decision is still on the investor and customer. The reason why they asking to switch from USDT to USDC is because nowadays the cost base they I in my own opinion I think they lack of fiat, they lack of cash, so they
They're
ask.
in need of more,
Yeah.
in need of more capital and cash, right?
Yeah, and between the USDC and USDT are the same. They are the same. It's also it's also the same. Look like the same token or coin fiat. The people use to switch between the crypto to fiat, and and it's also have the same function. The reason they want to ask people to switch because the most important is because they want fiat. The company want the fiat. That's why. Let's go back with the the article. Don't forget, Coinbase is a part of the two firms, Circle and Coinbase. The move come on the heels of the Circle less than bullish financial years with the firm go to publish. Thus added the new that means for some thought we have come spread not a good look also look the spread make me
Yeah,
trust USDC a little less. Yeah, this is
yeah,
one of the this
yeah.
uh,
So I guess uh, if this guy is representing a lot of people, it means a lot of people are not having a lot of confidence with this USDC thing.
yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
Um, because you last time I also hear some of the drama from CJ want to poke that means want to hit the Coinbase about some of the if group of reserve ask Coinbase to prove their financial ability, uh, but um, but the Coinbase responded, "Oh, we are the public company. Everything is on the stock market, and we also saw something like that." And he explained on the Twitter. CJ after that he deleted the tweet and yeah he he that means he explained that he received some of the incorrect data about the Coinbase. Yeah,
Mm.
and now
Yeah,
the
I
Coinbase I
think
hear
there's an overflow of information out in the market. So to a point, a lot of people find it difficult to differentiate whether the article is genuine or it's just someone making up stories.
Yeah, that's right. And it's also because of this day on the crypto, there's no news, there's no information. That's why they want to create a drama to let the people focus on
Yeah,
some news, some data,
market
some
is too,
information.
yeah, when the sea is too, when the water is too quiet, there's no waves, you make some wave,
Yeah,
right?
yeah. And they want to share to our audience to tell make a story. Yeah, Mr. Nicholas, could you share some information to
Okay,
us
this
about the our blockchains?
Argo blockchain, I'm not quite sure how popular they are, but this blockchain, or rather this company, they are into mining. So of course, I think now the times are bad. So they are probably, it looks like they are facing bankruptcy. Of course, they are just trying to tell the public that no, we have all these things that we are doing that's making sure that we are not going bankrupt. Yeah, but it looks like they are going in that direction. So of course, in the article, it said London-based company say it's hopeful that it will be able to make those move meaning they are trying to do some investment or rather sell some. Now they are in advanced negotiation to sell some assets and carry out equipment financing transaction. So it's kind of like looking bad. So of course they are just trying to avoid the bankruptcy filing in the US. So I don't know. I think FTX was very bad because it was pretty big. It's an exchange, but this one it is a mining company, right? Yeah, so I think their impact will not be so great to affect the Bitcoin price again. Hopefully it's not does not hopefully it don't affect the Bitcoin price again. Otherwise, you have to, like Bitcoin price will like go down to 14,000 again. Oh no, yeah, we need Bitcoin to stay afloat. Yeah, so
Yeah,
Argo has been
we
trying to
heard it.
raise. Yeah, they are trying to raise 25 to 35 million since August. So I think they are unable to raise the kind of money, and mining cost is very very high right now. So it says what they built a mega Bitcoin mining facility in West Texas and call it Helios. So it consuming 800 megawatts of energy consumption and 20 exahash. I don't know how many. That sounds like super big number, way more than giga whatever. Yeah, we got more than tera as well. Yeah, so and 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 of course they're saying this will have been the world's made Argo one of the world's biggest miner, but this one of the world's biggest miners is going down. Yeah,
Yeah,
sounds like sounds like a turning point for them, and also it's a caution. I put this article in is to let listeners know that things like this are happening. Besides just FTX going down, even the mining company is kind of like not standing not standing as well. They are in a danger of falling down as well. Yeah, let's go to
yeah,
any thoughts for you from you, Mr. Richard?
yeah. I After I see the news is about some of the mining company going to sell the asset to pay to pay for their own surviving. Yeah, I think that it's very common in some of the other company, not in the crypto related.
Yeah, that's
They
right.
also need some cash. They also need some fund to maintain their current business. Yeah, um, and now it's all depend uh, on the controlling of the from the government if they want to release the bailout or as more fund ability and allow um, more loan by reducing the interest rate from Fed. Yeah, it's all depending uh, on the high on the big boss up there. Yeah, big boss up there is from the Fed. Yeah, I hope they can survive, and I hope all the company now they can find a way to find a safe place to survive. Okay, next one is Bank of England seeking proof of
Yeah.
concept wallet. Yeah,
Yeah, in
Mr.
terms of CBDC, we know that quite a number of countries, even in the Europe, they are on the trail of CBDC. So now this Bank of England, they are seeking companies to come in and bid for the projects. I think it costs about they are offering about 200 over £1,000 for the project. Yeah,
Yeah,
so they want people to come in and help them to make a wallet. Yeah. So of course, this project, what they say here is they are going to explore the end-to-end user journey. Yeah. So before that, I think sometime before this, Bank of England has said before that they are potentially launching CBDC by 2030. That's 7 years away. Yeah,
Yeah.
7 to 8 years away. Yeah, so I think by the time they launch, I don't know, a lot of other countries have already launched and using their CBDC, probably because we are looking at in the next 5 years how things can evolve. And it is going to be very, very fast, very, very fast. Yeah, yeah. So let me look again on at this article. Yeah, so the sample wallet is supportive of CBDC part of project Rawson. I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, um, this what okay. The amount of money they are offering, they have the budget of 244,500 and 200,000 to 244,000 British pound. Yeah. So and it's expected to be just a 5-month project. So whichever company out there you want this money, it's going to take you a little while and you get it. But let's hope that I hope they're successful in doing this in their CBDC journey because it is going to kickstart a lot of things actually. Yeah, imagine a lot of these uh, VCs. If VCs now, if VCs venture capitalists, they are investing a lot of money, right? So in the future, all this investment to companies, maybe just okay after I sign this contract, I pay you the CBDC kind of thing. Yeah, so it's going to be very interesting. Yeah, of course.
Yeah, it's when I see the article of the slide, I also can have more information about this thing. Uh, uh, Bank of England open application for the proof of concept CBDC, and they use nearly $255,000 dollar to develop the sample wallet bank digital currency. But in the let down of the article, I see no work has been done on the CBDC sample wallet. Yeah, the bank say that, and it will not develop a user wallet itself. You know,
Then what are they doing?
yeah, I also don't know. And the boxes up 244 or 200,000 British pound for an expected 5-month project was set for the proof of concept. There's
Oh,
were no application at the time of writing. Yeah, we also waiting and hoping for the developer of this project from the government. Yeah, I think they need a little bit more time for this journey. Yeah, because it should be very simple and easy, but the bank, that means the central bank, they want to control everything. They want to manage to make sure everything work right in the right track. That's why it may take more time for this one.
yeah.
Okay, let's review again with the article I um, uh, I want to share to our audience. One more thing, just now we also have. I also say that I will explain why the BNB has some red today, has some the price go down today. Yeah, because some of the grammar I also found that uh, on the by phone BNB record sharp drop after the allergy of the Binance
Prosecution.
prosecution planned by the US. Yeah,
Why do
and
they
the
want to
price
prosecute Binance?
dropped to or maybe
It's just
because yeah, because the from the Reuters report, that's mean DOC. DOC is a Department of the Justice officer charging Binance for the series of the violation, including unlicensed money transmission, because they have a lot of reason. U.S. Government, DOC, and all the thing have any reason to charge Binance, to say that Binance this or Binance that. Is they want to make a drama, and they want to let the people fear of the exchange, one of the biggest exchange, because some of the data showing that Binance keep uh, keep nearly 70% of all the asset in the exchange. Yeah, and Binance respond to Reuters that Reuters has wrong again. Now they are attacking our incredible law enforcement team, a team that's we incredible growth. They have made crypto more secure for all of us. Yeah, Binance response. Here's the full statement. We sent the reporter blog about our remarkable law enforcement team.
Yeah.
And
So yeah, that's nice.
yeah, Binance defense because Binance also received a lot of drama, and some of the attack from the news, from the government. Because we also hear last time Binance, they say they cannot go to US, and they shut down the US site on the Binance.us. Yeah. We also can receive some of the drama. Yeah, it's really a drama. Binance suspend the trade account after complaint on the Twitter. Yeah, it's coming from the unreasonable client. Let me explain that because some of the client he explained that Binance API has some issue. Yeah, the API key is great, and their they lost their access. They lost their coin from the three comma. They say that their account have been hacked from the API. At this point, Binance must know who is the three comma API hacker. It's too easy. Yeah, that's right. Because they just post the withdraw from the account, and they offer the high upgrade before the government investigates with the situation. Yeah. We see that that's some of the drama. They want to attack Binance, and that's why the price of Binance going down. And another reason is Binance Group of Reserve play the red flag, because when the Binance say that they need to show the group of reserve to show ability of the coin, they need to send to their exchange, in the exchange to make a liquidity for the customer, the client. That's why, and we see in the report it said that we found Binance had the 75% collateralized without taking into account. Yeah, and that's mean it means they have ability, a lot of ability, but the red flag is uh, the that who is the company to confirm the group of reserve is correct, and um, and say that some of the twist coming from the SEC. Yeah, he also said Binance Group of Research doesn't address the effectiveness of the internal financial control, and and in in the conclusion, I think a lot of them this day today do the most some of the exchange, and they want to make a big drama. For the government want to make the big drama to dump more on the crypto. in order to buy the coin with the cheap price. Okay.
Yeah, just make some wave and they can buy it at a low price. Yeah.
Yeah. And I also think it's time for us to say goodbye in our live stream. It is early morning and hope to see you in the next live stream, Mr.
All
Nicholas.
right. Yeah. See you all in our next live stream. Do read up on the information available. Do your own due diligence, and of course, we hope you make some money. We'll see you soon.